KruThan will use 3 types hand sign to help you learn Thai easily. Hello everyone! During teaching, KruThan will use 3 types hand sign to help you learn Thai easily. Number 1, if I want you to listen, I will hold my hand to my ears like this, and I say in Thai, Fang Na Ka, Fang Na Ka. Number 2, if I would like you to speak, I will my hand hold to my mouth like this, and I speak in Thai. Phud Hnoy Si Ka, Phud Hnoy Si Ka. Number 3, if I would you like to speak again, I will hold my hand to my mouth and invite to you to speak. I will speak in Thai. Phud Aik T ค่ะ Phud Aik T ค่ะ Phud Aik T ค่ะ This is 3 types hand sign I will use during teaching. Bye bye.